Welcome to Bali. Woo. And then we have a lost pelican on top. He escaped. Okay, what's up everyone? We are now here at the newly opened Bird Paradise here in Singapore. It was previously known as the Jurong Bird Park, which is like a household bird park for the locals to enjoy, and now it has been revamped into this new Bird Paradise here at Mandai Road, which is closer to the Singapore Zoo. Just to let you guys know, like, I am not really a bird person. I don't really enjoy birds, except my own bird. But yeah. But yeah, I kind of prefer land animals more, but it looks very good. So far the reviews has been, and this is the opening weekend, so it's going to be really crowded. I'm so looking forward to see this new place. So far it's been looking really good. Really good. Like, it feels like we're on a holiday.
Yeah.
Huh? And so, the very first enclosure that you will encounter is the Penguin Cove. I mean, come on, just look at that. Seeing these penguins just going about with their day, waddling around, really made my day. I have to say, seeing the penguins just swimming like a torpedo in the pool was really nice. They are so cute. Next up, the Australian Outback. This is the Australian Outback, and it's like an open aviary. So it's like a net covering the whole area. So it's kind of like a bit more open, and they are not in cages. Which is one thing I really love about Bird Paradise. All of the aviaries are open concepts with beautiful themes and free-ranging birds. It's just amazing. And you never know, a bird might just land right in front of you. Oh my god. Hello. This is the crown pigeon. Very pretty. Ooh. Oh yes. Did I mention the crowds on the opening weekend? So hot that this emu bird is just chilling there under the water spray. The best part about this is the aircon. Oh, I'm melting. We then caught the Wings of the World show. Very educational and very entertaining. Make sure you don't miss it. The food court is too crowded. We're not gonna eat here. Yes! What a bliss to be a kid. I remember as a child I would always head over to the play area at the zoo, and I loved it.
Once again, please note that the 2:30 p.m. show is already at maximum capacity. For safety, we have to close entry.
Okay guys, unfortunately, we missed one show. We are like about 10 minutes earlier than the show time, but it's really full. So there's only one word to describe this place: Bali. This whole area reminds me of the Bali rice terraces. So pretty. Look at all of these pelicans and storks just chilling. Life is easy and good. What breed is this? Rufous Hornbill. Is it found in Singapore or Asia?
In Southeast Asia. It's native in Philippines.
Philippines. Oh. And finally, an easy favorite for myself and probably the most beautiful aviary of the entire bird park: the Crimson Wetlands. The very first thing that you will notice are the bright pink-colored American flamingos against this gorgeous and beautiful waterfall. I mean, the whole atmosphere felt alive. It really feels like you are in the Amazonian jungle or something. Alright, so it's done. How are your feelings? What are your thoughts?
It's bigger than I expected. I didn't expect to spend the whole day here.
Yeah, I thought like actually quite small lah. Not as big at the zoo. Not as big at the zoo as... Not as big at the... Not as big at the... I'm so thirsty, you know, bro. Not as big as the zoo. Overall, like it is spanking brand new. It is very, very beautiful. I love the open, free-ranging birds, the aviaries. With all of the theming and attention to detail, I think it's super beautiful. And it's just so nice to see all the birds like flying all around and chilling and having a good time. Again, I'm not really a bird person, but coming to the bird paradise, I think it made me like appreciate, you know, all the variety of birds. To know that, wow, there's so many varieties of birds makes me kind of like appreciate birds a little bit better and how they survive in the wild. I didn't get bored or anything. I think it was really very beautiful. Today is just a bit crowded. I mean, very crowded because it's the opening weekend and it's so hot. My only one thing I would suggest is for the bird paradise to install like vending machines around the park. Because it's so hard to get drinks inside the park. We are so thirsty.
And it was packed.
Yeah, it was packed. So it's like so hard to get drinks. So if you can have like vending machines, you charge like $3, I'll still buy it. But all in all, a really beautiful place. You know, there's a lot of messages about conservation other than looking at animals. So yeah, Singapore Zoo and you know Mandai wildlife parks are all like top notch, like world class. Honestly, after seeing many zoos, I think our zoos and bird parks and all are all world class. Bird paradise, thumbs up. Special thanks to Tate Andrew, I hope I pronounced it correctly, and Mandai Wildlife Reserve for having us. Much love to you guys. Alright, so let me know in the comments on what you think about Bird Paradise. Is it somewhere you'd like to visit? And if you've been there, let me know about your experience as well. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. It really helps me and the channel. Be bold, keep exploring. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.